This tutorial points to flow of handling progress bar layouts configurations just for doing animations effect. Progress bar layouts configurations just for counting the progress of completions of tasks during the animations effects from starting 0% to 100% flow behave as per calculations, indications, points of views, or maybe others conditions depends on other requirements flow of task states just for configurations points of views. So figure 1.0 showing different phases of a screen in which progress bar processing different phases and doing effects of blinkings. Here we can see that real device working of progress bar lines graphs and also filling different state of counts flows something 0% to 100% behalf of usability's point of views and putting animations effect according to that. Just for information's point of views, pointing to progress bar counts variables. Just for use case of increasing progress ratio behalf of count, flow of progress bar so figure 1.1 displaying variables and pointing to statements of that usabilities of that variables. Just for information's point of progress bar text view, text and width just for displaying progress bar increasing count ratio digit number so figure 1.2 showing the text and configurations width and layout systems. Here just pointing to animations state of variables which is using just for handling durations or starting phases of layouts of animations flow. So figure 1.3 showing states of animations just counting based. Just pointing to titles, durations of animations effects, and also handling Boolean cases. So figure 1.4 displaying text and doing animations effect just for blinking cases effect. Just point strings values which is containing array forms and using below counts flow behalf. So figure 1.5 displaying variable of strings letter. Geometry readers use case for handling view frames, configurations, width and heights, putting value automatically, adjust case points of view. So figure 1.6 using geometry readers faces just for handling inside view frames. Here pointing to progress bar, first phases layouts, implementations point of views, and using defaults view frame just for creating progress bar lines as per device frames widths considerations point of view. So figure 1.7 displaying some code just for implementations of lines frame of progress bar. Here pointing to face animations reflections just for doing the effects progress bar, increasing count, reflections, animations, blinking ratio effect. So figure 1.8 showing some default face animations, quality code, animations point of views. Just for informations of animations rotations view, both faces, motions, all arounds, coordinations point of views, and implementations of layout systems of dash faces of views, and also rotations, flow layouts, considerations behalf. So figure 1.9 displaying animations view faces by using some defaults variable states point of views. Here pointing to progress bar text titles and drawing animations effects, later counters behalf of positions, digits counts flowings, configurations point of views, and some defaults properties based effect. So figure 2.0 showing text animations flowings just for some durations of time point of views. Here just pointing to creations, rotations, animations, layout views, and doing animations effect as per durations or repeating circular movements, coordinations point of view. So figures 2.1 displaying layer of rotations view, layouts, frames, and motions rotations effect. Defaults code points on appears when activity is open one times, adding some starting faces code just for doing animations effects to finals view frames. So figures 2.2 showing some code informations handling point of views. End of screens. If you need full source of code, just use below links and find full information.